membrane permeability decrease, the rate of diffusion decrease. We have second one, we have osmosis. Osmosis is the diffusion, of course, is the type of diffusion again, but the difference between osmosis, the difference between osmosis and diffusion is, of course, both of them, the molecule from high concentration to low concentration, but the difference is the osmosis only about water, which is solvent. It means in osmosis, from high concentration, the molecule from high concentration for low concentration of water, not solute. Do you understand? Because, or you can say, from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration. It is same. Or you can say, from an area of high solvent, which is water, concentration, to an area of low solvent concentration, of course, which is water. Did you get it? This is an example. Water molecule in here and sugar molecule, which is solute. In this membrane, semipermeable, the sugar molecule can't pass through this membrane, so the water molecule can go from high concentration of water to low concentration of water. Or you can say from low solute concentration to high solute concentration. Because in here we don't have solute or sugar concentration, or you can say low concentration to high concentration of solute. We have three directions of osmosis. First one, we have hypertonic, which is in here, the cell composed a high amount of solute, and we don't have enough water. For example, in hypertonic, we have hypertonic, which is the cell composed of high amount of solute and low amount of water. And the second one, isotonic, which is normal cell. And the last one, we have hypotonic. Hypotonic, vice versa with hypertonic, which is the cell composed a large amount of water and very, very low amount of solute. This is an example, which is composed a large amount of water. For example, we have this beaker. If this membrane, in here we have solution, which is the solvent is water and the solid is sugar. The sugar particle cannot pass this membrane, but the water molecule, because very, very small, can pass through from high concentration of water to low concentration of water. Or you can say from low concentration of solute to high concentration of solute. Yes. Let's continue. This is last part of today's lesson, which is facilitated diffusion. Let's move. What's facilitated diffusion? Of course, this is type of passive transport, Of course, this is movement of molecule from high concentration to low concentration. Again, of course, we don't have, or we don't need energy from this for this process. But the difference between facilitated diffusion and other passive transport is, in here, the large molecule which cannot move through the lipid bilayer, the plasma membrane or cell membrane, can pass or can move from high concentration to low concentration by helping this protein. This is protein inside or on the cell membrane. For example, we have, this is protein channel. This is protein channel. We have a large molecule which cannot pass through without this protein channel. For example, this is example. By helping this process, facilitated diffusion, the large molecule which our cells needed can pass through without energy. Yes. Do you have any question? So today we talked about and we learned about one function of cell membrane or plasma membrane, which is we need and plant need to maintain or to homeostasis process, which is passive transport mechanism, including diffusion or simple diffusion, and including osmosis, and including facilitated diffusion, which is we talked about one by one before. Of course, this is the fundamental process in biological system, and they play a crucial role in maintaining cellular homeostasis and nutrient uptake. Of course, we need plasma membrane, we need this process to uptake the nutrients from outside to the inside. And of course, as I mentioned, our cell, they have ways and to outside, go to outside, and overall function of living organism. So understanding this mechanism provide insight into how cell and organism adapt to their environment and regulate internal conditions. I think that's all for today's lesson. If you have any question, you can ask. Do you have any question? So thank you very much. Your homework is for next lesson. Inshallah, we have a quiz in this lecture, and second one, we will make a model by different group. Some of you working on